and welcome to the Liberty Lovin Kitchen, where the first ingredient is always love. I'm your host, Barrett Patton, along with my co-host and loving father, Patrick Patton.
I would like to add, if ever you run out of love, you can substitute love with equal parts of Barrett.
Oh, thank you. With that said, in today's video, we are going to make some delicious garlic cheese biscuits.
Those are good.
We're going to turn up the volume on our regular biscuits, even though we're not using the same dough recipe. But they're really good, and we're excited to show you how to make them. So let's get started. First, we have 2 cups of our homemade Better Than Bisquick baking mix. Be sure to check out the video on how to make that if you're interested.
You can use Bisquick in a pinch, but we highly recommend the Better Than Bisquick baking mix.
2 cups also of cheddar cheese. You could, in theory, use whatever cheese you would like. But in our case today, we're using a combination of regular cheddar cheese and extra sharp white cheddar cheese.
1 cup of regular cheddar, sharp regular cheddar, and 1 cup of our secret ingredient in so many things, the extra sharp white cheddar cheese.
It's not so secret anymore, is it?
If you don't tell everybody, it'll be a semi-secret.
I like that, semi-secret. So, next we have a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder. This is the garlic powder that we smoked ourselves. And if you want to watch how we did that, be sure to check out that video.
Take all of our dry ingredients and we'll run it quickly in the mixer. And right now we have our bread beater on there.
Dough hook.
Our dough hook as opposed to our mixer. We'll run this. Get everything incorporated. Our flour, our baking mix.
Get all the mixture.
Our cheese and our. You want to say the third?
Garlic powder.
And our garlic powder. Next, we'll take 2/3 cup of water, and we'll do this while it's running. I'm going to put this on just in case it wants to pop out there. Let that run for a few seconds until it's all incorporated. Bam! Super simple, super easy, super quick.
And super good, too.
And that's the best thing, they are super good. And we have a clean work surface here, so I'm going to just take our
dough.
As he said. I'll just dump it right out here onto the work surface. I have a scraper that fits the bottom of this perfect. I'll use that to get all of it off.
Every last bit.
You don't want to waste any of this, because this is, as they say in the culinary arts, the good stuff. And I'm a little weird, so I like to make sure, I like to keep all my biscuits same size. I'm gonna weigh it. This should be about 700 grams. 685. So we're gonna make 10 68.5 gram biscuits. And they're just drop biscuits. I just pull up what I think is gonna be 68 grams. And I was way off. Once I get the first one, it gets easier. There we go, at 70 grams. I was wrong with 70. We'll be pretty close. We'll make 10 biscuits. I'm going to do a row of 3.
And while he's doing that, I'll go ahead and give you the requisite reminder to smash that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Leave us a comment down in the comment section, and be sure to share the garlic cheese biscuit love of this video with anybody and everybody.
Now you said the requisite info. If you said it sooner, it could be the prerequisite.
I know, but I felt like we had
Moved on.
gotten past the pre stage.
Okay. Just checking. Excuse me today, my allergies are a little bad, so I don't have my normal commanding voice. And we're down to pulling 4 more biscuits out of here. And these are just, I guess, what some people call drop biscuits. We don't really shape them or knock them out. This should be hopefully 2 biscuits left. 130. That's going to be 2 65-gram biscuits. You don't have to do this, but I like to have everything about the same.
What did we preheat our oven to?
So we cook. Do what?
What did we preheat our oven to?
Oh, yeah, before we started this, we preheated our oven to 400 degrees. We are going to cook them for about 13 minutes. Okay, 15 to 18 minutes. And I'll usually take them out around 10 minutes. Spin them around, maybe dab a little butter on them at that point, and put them back in for the last 5 to 8. So we'll get these started down, and we'll check back with you in just a few minutes.
See y'all soon. Alright, we have got our garlic cheese biscuits in the oven. It's about time to pull them out for the first time anyway.
The spin around.
So we are going to quickly mix up some garlic butter to brush on the top of the biscuit.
So we'll take a half a stick or 4 tablespoons of butter, half teaspoon of garlic, and you can use more or less according to your taste. This has already been pre-softened, so I'm just going to whisk this up here. Get the garlic mixed in good. And we're good. Just splash it on. Splash more on me. There we go. But so we're going to go ahead and get our biscuits out. They are not cooked, but they are partially cooked. And then we're just going to dab a little butter on them at this point in the cooking process. And then we're not going to use all of it. We're just going to get a little bit on there.
Smells so good.
Mm-hmm. There we go. A little butter on here. Almost done. Just need a little bit of butter on here at this point. And we'll throw those back in there, and then Once they're finished, we will put the remaining butter on there.
So we're gonna put these back in for another 5 minutes or so, still at 400 degrees.
We'll do 5 minutes, then we will check them. We have anywhere from 5 to 8 minutes, but we'll have to pull them out at 5 and double check. So we'll be right back.
See y'all in just a few. Okay, it has been about 18 minutes, or exactly 18 minutes in fact, and it is time to pull our garlic cheese biscuits out of the oven, and they look fantastic.
And what we did was we did 10 minutes, spun them around, pulled them out, doused them with a little butter and garlic mixture, and now we'll take them out after another 8 minutes and put the remaining garlic butter on them. And remember, there is also garlic in the actual mix. So go ahead and get these buttered up with what we got left. And this is where we really sop them up with some butter, because it's good.
It is that.
Mm-hmm.
These biscuits, some people might have eaten biscuits like these at places like Ruby Tuesday or Red Lobster. These are better than those though.
They didn't eat biscuits like this, but they didn't use real lard in theirs,
No, they didn't.
I'm guessing.
That's why I said these are better.
But you also said like this. So I'm just... Which is probably close to the truth, but you know. There we go. I'm gonna move those over here. So we're ready to serve them.
And there you have it.
Boom!
10 gorgeous looking and delicious tasting garlic cheese biscuits.
Or as you could say, boom.
Yeah, that too.
There we go. All right, well, thanks for joining us. You want to take us out, son?
That's gonna do it for this episode, but before we go, don't forget to press that like button, or better yet, smash that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Leave us a comment down in the comment section and share this video with anybody and everybody. Until next time, thanks for joining us on the Liberty Lovin' Kitchen.
Thank you.